ready to start. I prepare the boiling water, rice noodles. Open the rice noodle bag, put the rice noodle in the boiling water, add more water. Add some salt, a few drops of sesame oil. Then waiting for 5 to 10 minutes.
Next is the jalapenos. First off, you cut the stem, then cut it in half. Then we're gonna scrape off the seeds because we only need a little bit of spice. Scrape it real good. Make sure all the seeds are gone. Next, we cut them into strips, or we julienne them. And we're good to go.
We need to slice the cucumber, so like this. That kind of slice is very good for the roux.
We are now cutting the lettuce. We cut the bottom of the lettuce leaf because we don't eat that. And then the top I will cut into 2 pieces. Now we have cut the lettuce.
Now we are going to cut pieces of the cilantro. We will cut each stem in half until we have our desired amount.
I'm going to cut the mint. Cut each leaves of the stem. Save leaves for the spring roll.
For the carrots, we cut them julienne style and marinated them overnight. The exact recipe will be provided in the show notes.
So we pre-boiled the shrimp and drained the rice noodles. Now let's get rolling.
First of all, you should wet the dry baby cheese with warm water first. Then you put some lettuce on it. Cucumber.
Cilantro.
And mint.
Carrot.
And then you put pork, shrimp, or whatever meat. And then you put some vermicelli on it.
Jalapeno, and we can roll it.
Make sure that when you finish the roll, the shrimp or pork will show up.
For the peanut sauce, we added the recipe in the show notes, but you can adjust it to your liking. Some people like it sweet and some people like it savory. Personally, I make the sauce savory since you get some of the natural sweetness from the vegetables. To each their own.